Have you ever wondered what would happen if, just for a moment, gravity decided to take a day off? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But let's really dive into this thought experiment. What if, in the blink of an eye, the force that holds everything together just vanished? First things first. You, me, your dog, your house, every car on the street, everything not firmly bolted to the Earth's crust would immediately start to float. It wouldn't be a gentle, dreamy ascent like you see in movies. We'd continue moving at the speed of the Earth's rotation. Depending on where you are, that's over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. So you wouldn't just float up. You'd be flung into space in a straight line, a human cannonball shot into the cosmos. But it gets much, much wilder. Our atmosphere, that beautiful blue blanket of air we breathe, it's held here by gravity. Without that pull, the entire atmosphere would instantly expand and dissipate into the vacuum of space. The air pressure would drop to 0 in seconds. Any living creature exposed would experience a brutal, instantaneous death due to the vacuum. It's a grim thought, but the science is clear. The sky would turn from blue to black as the air molecules scattered. And what about water? Our vast oceans, lakes, and rivers would suffer a similar fate. Without gravity to hold them down, the immense pressure at the bottom of the ocean would be released. The water would boil instantly. Not from heat, but from the lack of pressure, a process called explosive decompression. Giant spheres of water vapor and liquid would detach from the planet's surface and drift away into space. Joining the exodus of everything else, it would be a chaotic, planetary scale version of opening a shaken soda bottle. Let's think bigger. The Earth itself is a giant ball of molten rock and metal held together in a spherical shape by its own massive gravity. Without that inward pull, the immense pressure from the core would have nothing to counteract it. The planet would begin to break apart. It wouldn't be an instant explosion, but a rapid and catastrophic disintegration. Chunks of the crust, mantle, and even the core would fly off into space. Our planet would essentially crumble from the inside out, turning into a rapidly expanding debris field where a world once was. And we haven't even touched on the rest of the solar system. The moon, our constant companion, is held in orbit by Earth's gravity. Without that tether, it would fly off in a straight line, continuing on a new, lonely path through the cosmos. The Earth, or what's left of it, would do the same. Its orbit around the sun would be gone. The remnants of our planet would drift aimlessly through the solar system, a ghost of a world. The sun, the moon, the planets, their entire celestial dance of our solar system is choreographed by gravity. Without it, the orderly orbits would dissolve into chaos. Planets would careen off their paths, potentially colliding with each other or being flung out of the solar system entirely. The sun, a massive ball of gas held together by its own immense gravity, would also begin to expand. The nuclear fusion in its core creates a massive outward pressure, and only gravity keeps it in check. Without gravity, the sun would blow itself apart in a cataclysmic explosion, ending the solar system as we know it. So, in the end, the disappearance of gravity isn't just about floating. It's the complete and utter unraveling of reality as we know it, from the air we breathe to the very ground beneath our feet, and even the stars in the sky. It's the ultimate cosmic chaos. It really makes you appreciate this invisible force, doesn't it? It's the silent hero that holds our world and the entire universe together. Every single second of every single day. It's a mind-bending scenario that shows just how finely tuned our existence is. The laws of physics are not just abstract concepts. They are the fundamental rules that make our lives possible. The next time you drop your phone and groan, maybe take a split second to be thankful that gravity was there to stop it from floating away forever. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic thought experiment. If you enjoyed getting your mind blown, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into the weird and wonderful world of what if, let me know in the comments what other crazy scenarios you'd like me to explore. Until next time, stay curious.